Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Outlook where your calendar lives, then create a new meeting or new event and add a clear title. Add required attendees now so Outlook can check availability. This speeds the rest of the process. Set date, start and end times, and choose a location or online meeting toggle immediately. Once done, make sure the time zone is correct for remote participants. Otherwise, you create confusion. You are now ready to attach a meeting link option in the next step. You must insert the meeting link using Outlook's online meeting toggle or your installed add-in like Teams or Zoom. Click that button and wait for the link to generate. Then verify the link appears both in the location field and inside the meeting body so recipients see it on mobile and desktop. Add a short agenda, dial in numbers, and meeting ID beneath the link to reduce questions. Make sure to check the meeting options or settings to control presenters and lobby behavior before sending. You finish by clicking Send, so Outlook delivers the invite and link to attendees. Confirm it landed in Sent Items to verify distribution. If recipients report a missing link, reopen the event, reinsert or regenerate the online meeting link, then choose Save and Send Update so everyone gets the correction. If problems persist, test the link yourself in the browser or meeting app to isolate account or add-in issues. Contact your admin only after you confirm the link fails to load on multiple devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.